Here we are at 838 Silver Springs Drive. Let's take a look around. It's at the end of a cul-de-sac here. Alright. You can see you can pull up to the side right there. Nice and easy access to the garage. I like this brick path. Let's take a look inside. Alright, let's take a look upstairs and then we'll come back down. Handrail, carpeted stairs. Alright, to the left here, we have a master room. You can see the ceiling. Alright, and then here's the master bath. Toilet. I really like the style of this bathtub. Nice step in. There's your faucet. Alright, and then we also have a shower here. Double sinks. And your walk-in closet. Then we have another bathroom. Very nice tub here. Toilet. Sink. Oh, looks like they set up their exercise bag here. There's your thermostat. It's a Honeywell Home. Alright, and then we have one of the bedrooms. Closet. Alright, and then at the end of the hallway, we have a larger room. So that's bedroom 3. This is interesting. I think this might be a place for you to make a closet. Like there's a shelf here that hasn't been installed, so if you wanted it to be a closet, you could install some bars and shelves in here and use it like a closet. If not, you could use it like an extra little room, I guess. Little built-in shelving unit here. You can see out into the cul-de-sac from this window. Alright. Last room upstairs. Final bedroom, but looks like they're using it as an office. Go Dogs. All right, and then let's head back down. like that window. All right. Here we have a dining area. Here's the kitchen. There's another little breakfast nook. Stovetop. I love these cabinets. Always like the look of those. Kind of woody, but light. Alright. Here's your dishwasher. Looking for the brand. Oh, it's a Whirlpool. There it is. Whirlpool. Alright, there's your sink. Over here we have a refrigerator and a wall oven. JennAir. Alright, then back here we have a half bath. Alright, and then at the end of the hall we have the laundry room. Next we have the garage. They have a dog in there and they've asked that we don't go inside, but we can kind of peek in there for you. Alright. Back through the kitchen. Here's a little hallway in case you didn't want to go through the dining area. And here's a pantry. Alright. And then we have a living room. Nice fireplace. Alright, and then let's take a look in the back here. Have a nice little porch area. Got a spot for the hot tub and the grill. You can see there's a fire pit over there, and there's a good view of a little stone path that's running around. You can see the back side of the house there. Then we have 2 ream units. Let's see, manufactured in 2021, October 2021. That's This one, September 2021. All right, and that's everything. So thank you very much. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below. Leave us a like and feel free to subscribe for more videos. Bye.